Hey friends, how are you? Today, something strange happened. Just a few moments back, a thought struck my mind, and I believe the thought is worth sharing with you all. And the thought is about conscience. A fascinating word, isn't it? And today I'm going to define conscience in a way that has never been defined. So be with me for the next 2 minutes. So firstly we'll start with its literal definition, and then we'll get the sense of what the conscience exactly is. So according to its literal definition, conscience refers to your inner sense of right and wrong, your inner judgment. Sometimes we call it a intuition or sometimes inner voice. Now let's get the feel of conscience. Let me take an example for you so that you can relate to it. Just imagine yourself in a situation where even after knowing the truth, you are willing to tell a lie. Or I should more precisely say, you have to tell a lie. Maybe due to the circumstances or whatever it is, you have to tell a lie. And just before taking that step, a thought comes and stands between you and the step you're going to take. A sense of fear, a sense of hesitation stands in between. Something whispers in your ear that, hey, don't do it. This is wrong. That sense is conscience. But whenever we are in such a situation, what we exactly do? We ignore that voice and we take that step. We tell a lie. So you must be wondering that, Suryansh, why are you telling us all this? What's your motive of giving us this speech? So my prime motive of giving you this speech is that today we have complicated our lives so much. Yes. But in reality we don't need to do so. And you'll feel it yourself that when you'll start listening to this voice, you'll no longer have to worry about right and wrong. You'll stand above all these. You'll no longer have to stand at crossroads while taking a big decision, because our conscience always has an unmaterialistic approach. You'll feel that you'll no longer have to be confronted in that feeling of guilt and in that feeling of doing a misdeed, of doing something wrong. So the next time whenever you're going to take such a step, just listen to that voice. So here's Shreyans signing off today. Until we meet next time. Bye bye.